In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to insert Captcha on WordPress login, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Plugins. Then search for Captcha in the search bar. Let's install this login no Captcha reCAPTCHA from here and then activate it. Now go to Settings and select Login no Captcha. Here you need to enter site key and secret key. Now select this, click here to create or view keys. Here enter your site name, select reCAPTCHA type with I am not a robot, checkbox, then domains. Go to your site and copy your domain name from here. Now paste it in domain section, remove this HTTPS section and accept this reCAPTCHA terms of service and also this send alerts to owners and submit it. Now you get your site key and secret key. Copy it from here and paste it on WordPress. Repeat the process with secret key and also paste it and save changes. Once done, copy your site link from above, paste it in search bar of new incognito tab. Here you can see that reCAPTCHA has been entered on your WordPress login with the Remember Me and Login button. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.